A diet that is too rich in fat can promote lung inflammation. It is therefore necessary to limit animal fats in particular. Sulfur is an excellent remedy against respiratory system diseases such as bronchitis. It is therefore recommended to eat fish at least 3 times a week, eggs, beans, cabbage, onions, and garlic. It is good to eat foods rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, such as liver, egg yolk, carrots, spinach, tomatoes, asparagus, melons, apricots, and oranges. Selenium, present in wheat sprouts, whole grains, Brazil nuts, and mushrooms, is also very useful. Almonds, taken regularly, help to avoid inflammation of the bronchi. Avoid high-fat foods, gluten, and dairy products.